upstairs to make her bed, and not a word to her mother said. Her mother, she went upstairs too, said, daughter, oh daughter, what's troubling you?
And on her bosom these words were found: "Well, dig my grave, both wide and deep, place a marble stone in my head and feet, and on my